Greetings and welcome to Utique Lifestyle. In this video, I'm going to show you how I attach the eyelets and connect the sleeves. This project is in collaboration with So Much Fabric, and the pattern is designed by Jdesireestudio. So let's get started. I had purchased 2 eyelet packages, and the first package came with this eyelet tool. Curious, how do you cut open your packages? I like to cut it this way so that I can store it away as needed. You'll notice that there are 2 different sizes of eyelets. One is longer than the other. Here I've already marked where I wanted my eyelets to go. So I'll remove the pin and then take an eyelet, it doesn't matter which one, place it on the fabric and then trace inside the eyelet. I happen to have this tool which was really helpful. It's very sharp and I would poke it at the very center of the marking. Then take one end of my scissor and poke it through to enlarge the hole. And then I would cut it to the line of the circle. And then I would cut 4 more slits into the circle and then cut around the circle. It was a little challenging here because I was cutting denim on the fold. But I eventually got it. So here is the circular cut. Now I will take the longer eyelet and place it on the outside, which is the right side of the fabric. I will push it through the circular cut I had made. Then take the black rubber tool and place it underneath the eyelet. Next, take the shorter eyelet and from the inside of the fabric, place the eyelet on top of the long one. Now take the metal tool and place it on top of the eyelet from the inside of the fabric. I'm going to use my personal hammer and give it a good pounding. This is a great stress reliever, by the way. You can see here the teeth is hammered down and spread out to interlock the eyelets. Repeat the process until all the eyelets are complete. Now I will be connecting the sleeves. I purchased 2 necklaces from Hobby Lobby. I already had the needle nose and the wire cutter plier on hand, so it made this part of the project easier. Here I used the needle nose to stretch out the connecting ring and then separated it until the necklace was able to detach from it. The chain was measured to be about 4 inches long to connect the sleeve. So I just measured and cut. It looks like I used the wire cutter plier when it was harder to cut into the ring. I would measure and cut and continue the process until I was no longer able to get a 4-inch long chain. I was able to get 5 chain lengths from 1 necklace. When I was finished cutting the chains, I slid it through the eyelets and then used the plier to close the ring. I would repeat the process until all the chains were attached and the sleeve was connected. And I am complete. I got to wear the Zen blazer to the BHM Pattern Designers live event. The event was hosted by the lovely Natita at So Natural Dane. And I also got to teach a class on how to make my Cameron fabric flower. Thank you to all the ladies who signed up for my class. I had such a great time. Well, I hope you got inspired to create something extraordinary out of the ordinary.